So let's take a look at the course information section over here on the left-hand side. This houses the important documents such as the syllabus, the schedule, and the map, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit more detail in subsequent videos. But to get to those documents, you just click on the links below each section to pull those up. Below that, you have common terminology and tools that you're going to come across in our course. So I encourage you to look at each of these. And once you see the definition and then you hear it in context, I think each of the terms will make a little bit more sense to you. And then finally, this last section is participation expectations. So I always want to give my students sort of an idea of what they can expect from me as the instructor, professor, facilitator, whatever you want to call it. And what I expect from you as a participant. So for me, you can expect me to be accessible to your questions, responsive to your emails, to model an appropriate and professional tone, to give you substantive feedback on your work and do that in an appropriate and timely manner, and to serve as a neutral voice for when you work with other classmates on collaborative efforts. And then I expect for you to seek out assistance and resources to help you with your learning goals in the course, to invest adequate time to complete all assignments and activities in a substantive, thorough manner. So I expect you to put as much work into the course as I've put into building the course. To log in and participate in the course early in the week and frequently. And yes, Blackboard does have tracking that lets me see how often and how frequently you log in and participate. To communicate with me, with your classmates and your small group members with respect and professionalism, and to assist and encourage your fellow classmates to expand your personal learning community. And then underneath that, you can find some time commitment and investment sort of expectations. And what I try to do is to give you an idea up front each week of how much time I estimate it will take you to complete all the deliverables. And I'll do that on my little message to you on the home page. But again, it's about giving yourself ample time throughout the week, not waiting till Sunday to start, and you know, giving yourself time to review, internalize, and apply what you're learning. And that demonstrates your maturity, of course, as a lifelong learner. So this course information section is important, especially here at the beginning. I encourage you to look at it closely to get up to speed on what you need to know about the course.